Hello friends, in this video I will going to show you how you download the shapefile of any country and how you upload that shapefile into the QGIS. So first of all, open your browser, go to your browsers and type here Divya QGIS. I will give the link of this Divya GIS in the video descriptions where you can also find that link. So download, click on the first link, download data by country. Here you can show that download program documentations and free special data. Just click on the free special data. Here you can find that country level data. You can download the country level data of any country in the world, administrative boundaries, roads, railroads, altitudes, land cover, population density, and everything you can download from there. Also, you can download from global level data, global climate data, and different types of data. So, in this video, I will be going to show you how you download the shapefiles. So, click on this download country level data. Here click on the country levels. Here click on that. Here you can see that different types of countries are paired, like Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. Any type of countries you can do. You want to download the data of your zone of interest of your country, you can download that. Here just select that area and download that area. Just like we want to download the area of our zone of interest, you can download any type of area. If I want to download the area of Bhutan region, so I will click on the Bhutan. Here you can see that here just select the board and select the country and subject lines. You can select the which type of data you need: administrative areas, inland water, roads, railroads, elevation, any type of data which you want. So in this video we will going to download the data of administrative areas. Just select the area of your interest, then click on OK. After that, click on download. Here you have seen that this file is open into your downloads. Just click on that, extract that file here. So then open your QGIS. Open QGIS, open your project, then go to the layers. So now we add that shape files into our QGIS. So to add that shape files into the QGIS, go to the layers, add vector layer, click on this vector database, click on downloads. Here we have downloaded and extracted these files. Click on that, and here you can find that .shp files. Here is shp files. Just click on that, just open and add that shape files. Close. Here you have seen that shape files are added into your QGIS. So if you want to remove the colors of that shape files, just click on that, right click, go to properties, symbology, just click on that simple fill. Here you can change the colors. If you want to change any type of colors, just like I want to change this colors and apply this and this. OK and OK. Here you shown that this color of this shapefile is changed. So if you want to remove this color, just right click on that, go to properties, simple fill. Here right click on that and click on the transparent fill. Just click apply and OK. Here you have seen that the color which is inside that shapefiles is removed. If you want to change the color of this line, so just right click on that, go to properties, click here, just click on that, and any type of colors which you want to choose, which you want to select that color and click on apply. Here you have seen that, just change it to transparent fill and apply, and just change these colors like red, and the fill color change to transparent. Just click on the apply and OK. So if you want to change that colors, again click here click on that field and go to your color and choose your color. Just if I want to change the color into red, just simple click here. You can see that this transparent color is here. If you want to change the color of your stroke, just click on that and select your color. Just if you want to change the color into red, just click on that and apply, and okay, here you have seen that the color of the stroke is also changed. So if you want to label the shapefile, just right click on that, go to labels, select here single labels, just click on apply, and okay, here you have seen that button, the label of the shapefile is written here. So if you want to change the color of this text, so go to there, just right click on that. Here you can see that, and go to text. Here you can change the style of that colors. Here you can change the format of that color. Here you can change if you want to give the buffers. If you want to change the backgrounds, just click on that and that will change the background. If you want to change the shadows, anything that you want to change with this. If you suppose I want to make it bold just and want to increase its size, just click on this that text and increase its size to 20, and also it's changed its colors to Italian, bold, anything which you want. So just click on apply and then okay, here you have seen that this is bold and its size is also increases. Also you can increase the size of that shapefile. So how you increase the size of that shapefile, just go to this and right click, just go to properties, go to symbology, go to fill, simple fill, and here you can change the size of that shapefile. So click on the stroke width. Here you can increase or decrease any type of size which you want for your interest. Just click, I think 0.46 is okay, just click on that. Here you have seen that its size is increasing. If you want to increase more size, just increase your size, then click on apply and click ok. Here you have seen that the size of this. So if you want to change these shape files, you can also change this from simple line to another line. Just click on that, click on here, so here is solid line. If you want to change it to dash line, just click on that and apply. Here you have seen that it is changed into the shape. If you want to change it into the dot line, just click on that, click on apply. Here you have seen that it is changed into the dotted line. So if you want to change in the dash and dot line, just click on that, click on apply and okay. Here you can see that this is changed. So if you want to change dash and dot line, so click on that and click on apply. Here you can see that. So if you just want to keep it as simple, just click on the solid line and click on the OK. So you, as I already show you, that you can change the color of that as well and click on OK. So one more thing which you can do with this, you can change this simple layer. You can also change the layer style. If you want to outline as arrow, just click on that, and here you are seeing that this is changed into the arrow. If you want to change it with another line, just anything which you want to change you can go. If you want to change outline as marker line, just click on that and apply. You have seen that this color is changed like this. So if you just want to keep it as a simple line, just go to that simple marker and simple marker, just here click here, and here you can keep it as a simple line, simple marker. So click on that and click on the simple fill or simple in. So click on OK and click on apply. Here you have seen that this shape files is simple. Click on OK, and so you can also add the other shape files which we have downloaded. So in order to add the other shape files, just unclick that, go to layers add layer, add vector layer, then click on that. We have clicked it, we have uploaded this item 0. You can also add .shp file between item 1. Just click on that, open, add the files and close. Here you have seen that this file is added. So you can also change the color of that shape files as well. Just process is same, just click on that, go to your properties, simple fill. Here you can change the colors. If you do not want to keep any color, just click on transparent and apply. So you have seen that here the color of this shapefile is changed. So if you want to also to change the color of these lines, you can also change the color of these lines. Just click on that, you can go to there. If you want to change the color of this, just select this line and click on OK. So here you have seen that you have changed the shape file, and you have changed the color of the shape files as well. So similarly you can increase your size, increase its size, just like increase its size, select that and click apply and OK. So also you can change the stroke styles. If you want to change the stroke style, just click on that and you can click on dot line, just click on apply. Here you have seen that you have changed the this color. So if you want to keep it as simple, just click on that and apply and OK. So if you want to label this shapefile, just click on that, go to labels, select single labels. So it has automatically selected, just click on that and you have seen that this is automatically selected and has written its labels as well. As I have shown you previously that you can change the color of this styles into different colors. So if you want to change the color of this, just go to there and just select the type of colors which you want, select the colors and click on over here. Here you have changed this color. You can also change the format of this color. In case if you want to change all the upper cases, all the words should be capital, just select the all upper cases and click on apply. Here you have seen that all colors, and if you want to seen all lower cases, you select that and apply, and you have seen that all the words are in lowercase. So if you do not want to change anything, just click on no change and then apply and OK. You can also give the buffer text, just select the buffer and apply on that, and you have seen that it's changed, it's a little bit change has happened. So similarly you can enable the mask, you can background shadow. If you want to add the background shadow, then click on that and click on OK. So if you can do like anything with this. Also one more thing, you can select this simple field from here, different colors like favorites colors. You can change this like this, select this anything which you want to here for your interest, just click on that and here you have seen that this is changing. So if you want to select this one, just right click on that and you can simply click on OK. Here you have seen, just scroll down or just zoom, and here you have seen that the shape file your color has changed. So in this way you can download the shape file of any country which you want and which area you are working. Just go to the website Divya GIS. I will give the link of that website in the descriptions. Here you can find, select your country, select your subject, download that and then add your shape files into your QGIS and then work on that. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.